Some important news coming in with respect to GMR on your screens. There seems to be a plan to do a bit of a business restructuring, look at a separate listing, or at least a separation of the airport's business. We've got our colleague Nisha Poddar joining in with the exclusive details. Nisha, what's the latest? We've been hearing of this for a while. You've been alerting us. They were also looking at potential sort of investors to come in and help the overall deleveraging exercise. So what's happening now?
That's right, Surbhi. In fact, this is the cash cow of the entire company, GMR Infrastructure, and this is the only saving grace for them to even reduce their overall debt pile of about 37,000 odd crore rupees. So therefore, GMR Infrastructure has initiated a process and has proposed to demerge its airports business into a separate entity and make it a separately listed company. The equity valuation, and that's the important bit, it would really lead to a huge amount of value unlocking for GMR Infrastructure as well, because the equity valuation of this particular airport's business is considered to be close to about 20,000 odd crore rupees. At least that's the kind of valuation that GMR is looking at commanding. So look at the market cap of GMR Infrastructure, the parent company. It is close to about a little less than 9,000 odd crore rupees, and its subsidiary, in which it holds 97% stake, would have or could command an equity valuation of about 20,000 odd crore rupees. So huge amount of value unlocking, and also the amount of money that it may raise through strategic stake sale in that particular holding company. Once it's demerged, it's a separate entity, and once a separately listed entity could also generate more cash flow for the company, which could be utilized for reducing the debt pile to some extent. But of course, remember that the lenders have to really approve of it, and the important bit is that GMR Infrastructure has given guarantee for a large amount of loan on the books of airport business as well, and that really needs to go. So that is the bit that they need approval for. But at the moment, they have really put all these efforts into a fast track, and therefore, and remember, they had already said that they would be looking at an IPO and monetizing this business. So that process has really begun, is what we gather from our sources.
Okay, all right, Nisha, thanks for getting us those details.